This white toy motor is literally from like 1980. Four. $10 to kill a turkey. Got it. We're fine. We're like 3/4 of a mile from our boat, and there's a clear cut that gets hit by the sun first thing in the morning, and it's been pretty cold and windy, and so these birds have been roosting down in this little valley and strutting in the sun all morning. You can see them from the boat launch where our truck's parked, and so we're at the bottom of the clear cut, and they don't like walking through that middle of the clear cut. It's just hard for them to walk. And there's a cool little road system up top, so we're going to try to get up top. It is getting light, and so we're going to try to move fast and stay in the woods a little bit and see if we can shoot one first thing. So it's getting too light to get any closer, but they're gobbling on the other side of this, like drainage, right above the road, right where we thought they were going to be. So try to get as close as we can. Because either side of the road you got a bank and you got a hill. And so you either gotta be below them or above them. Took us 22 minutes to get across the lake. My 2 trolling motors. My engine is currently broken. It's made it 62 years, and now it finally needs to be fixed. I have 2 tags to fill in Idaho. You can fill them on the same day, so if there's a chance to fill both my tags, I'm going to do it. That one just got one back in the ravine and below us. So sounds like it's in that field, that first field we walked through. We haven't heard a gobble in like an hour. And I went through some calling sequences, and then we just shut up and we played it quiet because these birds have been pretty active all morning. And it's 9 o'clock. We need to head back and get to work, so we got up. I called right before we started walking down the path, and a bird gobbles like 50 yards. So we come up the road, and we're trying to find a spot to sit. And we weren't fast enough, and all the birds flew off the hill, and we jumped them. I haven't jumped birds like that in a long time, and it's terrible, and I'm not happy. So we're gonna go get breakfast and be sad for a little while, and then we're gonna come back here because these birds, I got a bone to pick with these birds up here. had birds on every ridge gobbling, so we got to get out of here. We were walking down the road and a bird gobbles in front of us. So we sat back, called at him, and he cleared the trees, and we were set up behind some logs, and it was now or never. He couldn't see our decoys, so he kind of looked and was wary, and so we took the shot. And yesterday we called in a big bird. He strutted and gobbled, came right in, and we couldn't see a beard, and I put my rangefinder on him, and he had no spurs at all, 0 spurs. And I looked at Zach, I'm like, I don't know what's going on. So we didn't shoot him. And then today, but come to find out, it's the same bird from yesterday. His beard was tucked in, and he has no spurs. You can see the nubs where they were. They're broke off. I've never seen it before, but you can literally see where his spurs were. So super fun hunt.